So you are broke, you don't have any skill, you don't wanna take any risk, and you don't have enough time to learn those skills. Then this video will be the perfect opportunity for you because I found 8 different applications that give you some money for things like watching ads, watching videos, doing surveys, which hearing them sounds like a big scam, which I'll be testing on this video by checking whether these applications actually give you some money or are just a complete waste of time. Starting with before starting, just know that we will start from these things right here. They promise to pay you money pretty easily, which if they do, I might give away sometimes later, but only if they do, which we are not sure about. Okay, so let's start with swagbucks.com. So this is the UI after you log into this thing, and as you can see, I have already earned 7 swagbucks in a week. You might think that is too low, and it is, because most of the offers that you see down here are absolute scam. They ask you to fill their survey, then they collect your information and sell them to the big fishes. Also, you won't get your swagbucks from them as they will say some error occurred and won't let you proceed, which you probably don't want. So to be honest, there are 0 good offers except TimeBucks, which you might get 99 swagbucks after a month of hard work. But the worst part is the withdrawal, as you will need freaking 580 swagbucks to withdraw just 5 euros, and this will take ages. And their survey page has no survey at all except this profile one, which I've already done. So anyways, let me just rank it to the B, because you can technically earn something, but you shouldn't use this for earning purposes. So the next one is Hideout TV. So this is their interface, and they are meant to give you money for watching videos. After trying them for a week, I saw a lot of issues. There are very few videos, and the ones that exist are pretty boring. If you thought you could withdraw easily, then no, you can't, as you need to link this sketchy website to redeem the point. You can get money from this application, but the funniest part is that you can't even watch the videos in there. F tier for sure. Next one, Inbox Dollar. For this app, it shows this screen saying that it is not available in my region. I tried even using a VPN, but it failed. But the alternatives it gave are also a big scam, like Swagbucks, which we have already debunked, Polpay, which I have heard very bad things about in Reddit, and Ysense, which we will test later in the video. But anyways, I can't rate it, but I am certain that it is a bad application from the suggestion tab, so C tier. Free cash. There aren't any offers, and there weren't any at all. So I checked like every week, and there weren't any offers at all. Not a single one. Like, what is the point of this application when you can't even get offers? They provide a quest menu, but it is empty. I mean, how are you supposed to earn from this application? But if you have a phone, you do get some offers to try out, but they suck as well. You might think like, oh, $3, but you need to do freaking 40 levels for a single buck. That will take you ages. It also shows $20 here, but within the quest tab, you can see that you have to reach 6,000 levels. Now, if you go to the withdrawal page, you can see that for withdrawing, you need to complete $5, and you will get $1 for completing 40 levels in their game. This application is such a crap. I don't think you should use it for earning at all. Anyways, I will rank it kind of with Swagbucks because you can technically earn from it. TimeBucks. So this is the interface of TimeBucks, and I can't withdraw because I have not completed my ID verification. But anyways, you can earn from this earn tab here. You can try various offers like surveys. It had a survey before, but now it is just the scam application that sell your data to the big fishes. There is a tax platform where you can see a lot of tasks. This is a good place, unlike other ones that we have tried, because you can at least earn something, not that huge amount of money, but definitely a couple cents. Now there is this bonus click where you can claim a certain amount of money from each click every 2 hours. Now there is another one where you can watch a video of themselves promoting themselves and gets
a really low amount of money. There is also hourly crown, which I don't know what it does. Let me click claim crown, and I claimed the crown, but it didn't give me the money, and some Spanish guy took the crown again from me, and I didn't get any money from the crown. So I don't know what was the point of using this thing, but you will be paid out after an hour. So whoever is holding the crown after an hour will get $1.42. Now there is this streak where you can claim money each day. You might think this application is good, but it isn't, because you can't redeem money. They will send it to your bank account every few days. And for that you need to link your bank account into the payment method, which I think they might even take some money from you. I have no idea. They can do anything with your bank account, so be safe. You shouldn't really redeem any money from this application. So let me just rank this application to the A tier, YSense. So this is the UI of YSense, and there are these two scam offers that take your data and sell it to the big fishes. We won't be trying these offers, but instead let's check the survey out, because I found it very interesting. Because you will get some amount of money every 10 questions. Like 2 cents is a really low amount of money, but getting it every 10 questions will be really quick way to make some money. I made 11 cents in 30 minutes. So if you are focused on making money from this application, then you can definitely make some money. So if you want to withdraw the money, then you need to have like $5.80, which I think will take you few months or even few years to get into, but at least you can get the money, most likely, if they don't scam you. But anyways, let me rank this to A tier, because this was the best. Now the next application will be Quick Reward. So this is their platform, and this is the worst UI I have ever seen. As you can see, there are the scam offers that sell your data to the big pieces, promise 20 QPs, but they will fail because of some error. Now you can get 1 QP by going to Facebook, but you can only do that every single day. And if you thought you could just use that 1 QP to earn some money, then the minimum withdrawing amount is 50,000 QPs. So you need to use this website for 50,000 days to actually earn something. This one was the biggest scam, straight to the F tier. Popo Live. What a weird name, Popo Live. I wasn't able to test this application, but my brother did it for me, and I will just tell you what happened in this application. Essentially, this app will give you some money for going live on their platform, and if you love doing live stream, then this might be a decent option for you to make money, because my brother tried it and he told me that you can actually make an approximately $85 a month if you fully focus on this application. But the bad thing about this application is that there are a lot of vulgarity in their live stream. So if you work as a good gentleman and don't fall into these traps, then I think you can make a decent amount of passive income from this application. At the end of the day, if you were expecting to make some bucks from this application, please don't. Learn a skill, then monetize it. That will be the most useful thing for you. But anyways, I didn't made anything from this application except from one place, that is Popo Live, where there is a lot of vulgarity in their live stream. So yeah, have a great day.